Hello, today we are going to talk about Basella mash. Basella mash in Tamil means Pasali Msaiyal. In English, Basella mash. Basella mash is made from leaves and with other components, other ingredients. So today I'm going to look at the items which came from my garden. These are the shallots from my garden. I'm going to use some of them. These are the garlic from the garden, this peppermint, that is sage, and that is bay leaves, and that is cherry bomb chili. Cherry bomb chili is hot, so for that reason I'm just using one. And those are the other chilies that's medium hot. 2 garden red tomatoes and 2 green tomatoes. And these are the Basella Alba leaves. Basella Alba leaves in Tamil is Pasali Keerai. And to do that, I also need other items like 3 ounces of red lentils, 1 teaspoonful of salt, a pinch of asafoetida, a pinch of turmeric, and a pinch of fenugreek powder. So these are items I'm going to use for today. And as I'm also doing the cooking and recording, there may be some gaps, but I'll try to show you what I'm doing at the end. Thank you.